Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your TAPS token airdrop on Tapswap. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Tapswap app and go to the drop section. Here, you'll see your total TAPS available for withdrawal. Right now, the only supported exchange is BitGet. If you haven't signed up on BitGet yet, check the video description for you to register. Tap on BitGet Exchange. If you've already signed up or have an account, click on Yes, I have it. Next, you'll need to add your BitGet Exchange UID and deposit address to receive your TAPS airdrop. Now go to your BitGet Exchange app. Here, you can either click Add Funds or go to the Assets tab and click on Add Funds. Choose Deposit Crypto and search for TAPS. Copy your deposit address, then go back to Tapswap app and paste it here. Next, go back to BitGet Exchange again to get your UID. To do this, go to the Home tab and tap the icon in the upper left corner. Here, you can copy your UID. After copying your UID, return to Tapswap and paste it in the required field. Tap Continue and verify if everything is correct. Make sure you've completed the KYC verification on BitGet to be able to withdraw. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm. Great, my withdrawal to BitGet is already in progress. The TAPS token will be available on BitGet soon on the listing date. That's how you withdraw your TAPS token on BitGet Exchange. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.